Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you how to get sent free stuff as a small influencer. I only have like a few tips and like some knowledge about it because I'm not that big of an influencer, but that's the point of the video. So I don't get sent like a ton of free stuff, but I mean, some is better than nothing, right? I'm going to be sharing with you. This video is probably going to be quick because I don't know too much, but I'm going to be telling you what I do know. So if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below, and let's just get right on into the video. So the first thing is pretty like basic knowledge, I'm assuming, or I would guess. As you grow more subscribers and stuff like that, companies are going to email you and reach out to you and like ask you to make a video if they send you their product. And of course you can say no if you don't like it or you aren't interested in it, or you can be like, yeah, sure, I'll try it out, and like if I like it, I'll make a video about it. So I've had, I want to say like maybe like eight different companies reach out to me asking if I would be interested to make a video for their product, and I've only said yes to 2 of them because I did some research, you know, on the other companies and stuff, and it just wasn't something that I would put on my channel to promote. Of course I could have said yes, I'll try out your product, but if I don't like it, I'm not making a video about it. But like after like researching, it just like wasn't worth it to me to just like get into that. But of course, I mean, if you want the free stuff, then you could have said yes and then like whatever. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. You don't have to make a video on something that you don't like, especially because they're offering to send you the product. You're not like signing a contract so like you have to make a video on it. It's just kind of like an agreement type of thing. Like if you like it, you'll make a video on it. And that's just like one way to get some free stuff. But also you could do your research and also reach out to brands. So you could be like, hey, if you send me your product, like I'll make a video on it, blah, blah, blah. Of course, if they're like a bigger brand, they're probably going to say no because you're a smaller influencer. You're not going to give them that much traffic on their website or customers, that many more customers, because again, you are smaller. Keep that in mind when you're trying to find companies. If you want to email companies, or if you just like don't want to do that and just wait for them to come to you, fine. That's what I do. I have never reached out to a company to promote their product yet because I just don't think that it's worth it at the stage that I'm at for the companies that I would want to put on my channel, you know? That's pretty obvious, I think, in my mind anyway. I think that's pretty generic information or pretty generic knowledge that you should know if you're a YouTuber, or even if you're on Instagram. Like companies will DM you, you can DM companies and all of that. It's like the same thing. Second thing is there is this app and it's called Influenster. I'll show you like a picture of what the app is right here. Essentially, you put in all your social medias and it calculates all of like the impact you have. So obviously the more impact you have, the more chances you get to get sent free things. I honestly don't even use it that much, and I got sent free skincare. But you just like write reviews on things that you've used, and like other people can read it and all that, and that's like kind of what the app is. But when you do that, the more you do, the higher chance you get to get sent free things. You just try it out, and yeah. And then after you try it out, you just write a review on it on the app, and that's it. If you're more of an active user, obviously you'll get sent free things more often, but I'm really not an active user and I still got sent something for free. So you have to put in a little bit of work, but it's nothing. Like you literally just write reviews on products that you already own and use. There's like a bunch of different like subcategories on the app as well. So there's like beauty, hair and makeup, like home and like cleaning products and like stuff like that. So I'm sure you could find something that you're interested in that you could get sent free stuff from. The app is free. It's free to use. This isn't sponsored by the app at all, by the way. Like, I just genuinely use it, and I really think that it's cool. I think that's pretty cool. I don't have that much of an impact, but I'm sure that as your impact grows, which is like your following from all your socials, that you would get sent more things. The more work you put in to your social media and to your YouTube and all of that stuff, the more you will get back from it. Those are the tips or tricks that I have for getting sent free things as a small influencer. Of course, as you grow your following and all of that, you will get more opportunities to get sent things and more opportunities to work with companies that you might like or try out their things to like. I don't know. Those are the things that work for me. Companies reach out to me every once in a while and like I say yes or no. That was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video.